Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the three drugs which are coming under resin and resin combinations. Those are benzoin, gugul and ginger. Under the subject pharmacognosy and phytochemistry 2 of unit 2 in B Pharm 5th semester according to the Pharmacy Council of India syllabus. So let us start from the drug benzoin. Its synonym is Sumatra benzoin, Sia benzoin and benzonium. Sumatra benzoin, why it is called Sumatra benzoin and Sia benzoin? Because of the availability uh, in geographical, that is coming under the geographical source. According to this geographical source, they are available in Sumatra region and Sia region. That is why they are called Sumatra benzoin and Sia benzoin. Biological source: it is a balsamic resin obtained from the incised stem of Styrax benzoin or Styrax parallelonurus and other species of Styrax marketed as Sumatra benzoin, or you see these two are called Sumatra benzoin, or from Styrax tonkinensis, which is known as Siam benzoin, coming under family Styraceae. About the characteristics, Sumatra benzoin occurs in the form of brittle, irregular masses composed of reddish tears embedded in a translucent or opaque matrix. The tears are externally yellowish and sometimes milky white. The surface is uneven. Why the surface is uneven? Because it is coming under the unorganized drugs, so it has no definite shape. When heated, fumes of benzoic acid and cinnamic acid are produced with balsamic odor. Balsamic odor means a pleasant odor, and taste is also pleasant. Siam benzoin occurs in tears or in blocks. In block form, small tears are embedded in reddish brown matrix of resin. It gives vanilla-like odor and acrid taste. Siam benzoin is vanilla, giving vanilla-like odor and acrid taste, but Sumatra benzoin has a balsamic odor and pleasant taste. This is a balsamic odor, so pleasant odor. About the chemical constituents, Sumatra benzoin contains free balsamic acid. So what are those free balsamic acid? Such as benzoic acid and cinnamic acid, and esters derived from them. It also contains triterpenoid acids such as summa resinolic acid and Sia resinolic acid. Sumatra benzoin contains triterpenoid acid like summa resinolic acid, and Sia benzoin contains Sia resinolic acid. The major constituent of Siam benzoin is an ester of coniferyl benzoate. About 70%, you see, more portion of it contains coniferyl benzoate, which is nothing but a ester. The drug also contains styrol, vanillin and phenyl propyl cinnamate. Whereas Siam benzoin differs from Sumatra variety in that it contains insufficient cinnamic acid to give an odor of benzaldehyde when warmed with potassium permanganate solution. So this is the major difference between Sumatra benzoin and Siam benzoin, that Siam benzoin contains insufficient of cinnamic acid, that is why it does not give much odor as compared to Sumatra benzoin. This is the structure of cinnamic acid, coniferyl alcohol, coniferyl benzoate, Siam benzoin contains coniferyl benzoate. Sumatra benzoin contains coniferyl alcohol, like this. About the chemical test, number 1, alcoholic solution of benzoin with water gives milky white solution. This is the basic chemical test. Second one is alcoholic solution of ferric chloride. When added to an alcoholic extract of Siam benzoin, a green color is produced. But Sumatra benzoin does not give this test. So this is also one of the major difference between Siam benzoin and Sumatra benzoin in the chemical test or identification test. About the uses, internally they are used as irritating expectorant, a carminative and diuretic. Externally as an antiseptic and a protective. They are also used as an ingredient of compound tincture of benzoin and Freer's balsam. And sometimes they are also used in cosmetic lotions. And local application is there as an inhalation for upper respiratory tract infection. And the use of Siam benzoin, this is also one type of difference you can say. The use of Siam benzoin is mostly confined to perfumery. Their perfumery means the external use. Next drug is your Google. About the synonym, gum Google. So Google is available as gum. Another synonym is there, Indian Delium. It is scented. About the biological source, it is the oleogum resin. You see, oleogum resin. Resin with volatile oils and gum. Oleogum resin obtained by making deep incisions at the basal part of stem bark of Commiphora wheati, Commiphora mucul, and other species of Commiphora are there, coming under family Burseraceae. The characteristics, it is available as yellowish, brown or dull greenish, rounded or irregular masses or tears, somewhat transparent with waxy surface and brittle in nature. Always you see these are nothing but the unorganized drugs, that is why they may be rounded, they may be irregular shape, irregular mass or maybe tears, brittle in nature, gummy to touch with fractured surface, and size is 0.5 to 2.5 centimeter in diameter when it is rounded. The diameter is there. Odor is agreeable and pleasant, while the taste is acrid and bitter. About the solubility, it is partially soluble in water. When triturated with water, it forms white emulsion. About the chemical constituents, the gum resin portion of the drug contains steroids. This gum contains steroids, diterpenoids, carbohydrates and aliphatic esters. The resin does not contain cinnamic acid, benzoic acid or their esters. When you compare with benzoin and Google, this Google does not contain any cinnamic acid, benzoic acid or their esters. The purified gum gives pentosan. You see, this is containing gum. So the purified gum, when the gum is being purified, it shows the presence of pentosan, pentose and furfural. It contains E-gugulostirol, Z-gugulostirol and 3 new sterols like gugulostirol 1, 2 and 3. About the uses, they are used as anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, hypolipidemic and hypocholesteremic drug. This is the marketed product like Gugulip, which is available in the form of tablet in market. This is Gugulip tablet is developed from Comifera mucul, used as a hypocholesteremic product. The last drug, but not least, is ginger. Ginger is very common, very well known to you all. Synonym is gingiber and gingiberis. About the biological source, ginger consists of the peeled or unpeeled rhizomes. So ginger is nothing but the rhizomes of Gingiber officinale family Gingiberaceae, which is scraped to remove the outer skin and dried in the sun. To outer skin, it is being removed by scraping the body of the rhizomes of ginger. It is known as Jamaica ginger in the market for its high value, because we think Jamaica ginger is superior quality. That is why their cost is high compared to other. Characteristics: the rhizomes are laterally compressed, 7 to 12 centimeter in length, 3 to 4 centimeter width, with irregularly branched pieces with bud at the apex. So buds are present at the apex, and from this irregularly branched pieces with buds, from buds new or next generation, or that is the rhizomes, from the rhizomes new ginger are developed when they are being cultivated. The vertical branches are known as fingers. Lateral irregular branched pieces, the buds at the apex, but the vertical branches are known as fingers. Fracture is short and fibrous. Sometimes the fracture is also not short, because when it is dried under sun, the fracture is fibrous. It is at that time it is not soft when it is not short, but when it is unripe or that is not dried properly, the fracture is short. It is pale yellowish, that is buff colored externally. External color is pale yellowish color, that is we can say that is buff colored, and yellowish brown internally. The odor is agreeable and aromatic. Taste is agreeable and pungent. About the chemical constituents, ginger contains volatile oil, which is monoterpene hydrocarbons, sesquiterpene hydrocarbons, oxygenated mono and sesquiterpenes, and phenyl propanoids. So much things are present in the volatile oil, which is being extracted out from ginger. So ginger oil contains most of the things. Sesquiterpene hydrocarbons contains alpha gingiberine. When you again go through the sesquiterpene or the contents of sesquiterpene hydrocarbons, it contains alpha gingiberine, beta bisabolin, alpha farnesene, beta sesquiphelandrin, and alpha curcumin. Phenolic ketones of oleogum resin. This is also uh, uh, coming under oleogum resin, because volatile oil is there, gum is there with resin. The phenolic ketones of oleogum resin includes gingerols, gingerol, and gingerdiols. About the various uses, are used as stomachic, an aromatic, a carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, and above all, it is as a condiment in our household or in the kitchen. As a condiment they are used. Ginger oil is used in mouthwash, ginger beverage, and liqueurs. And ginger powder is being made, you know, that dried ginger, that is also called as Sunthi. In Odia it is called Sunthi. So ginger powder is prepared from that dried ginger. Ginger powder is effective in motion sickness. Methanolic extract of ginger has mollucidal effects, and it also possesses the effect to control the parasitic infection like schistosomiasis. These are mostly or in developed or latest information that methanolic extract of ginger has mollucidal effects, and it is also having the effect to control the parasitic infection like schistosomiasis, one type of parasitic infection in case of children. So in order to control this parasitic infection, this methanolic extract is being administered to the children. Thank you all for patiently watching the video. In my next video, I will discuss about other three drugs which are included in for fifth semester according to Pharmacy Council of India, coming under resin and resin combinations. Thank you all till then.